Many people think the brain is something like a supercomputer, like the ultimate calculating engine. It is supposed to be extremely fast, super connected and highly accurate. When you have something on your mind, like right now hopefully, a picture or an image or something like that, you can see it very sharp and precise and switch very easily, much faster than a computer.
The power of video is the power of the mind itself. A huge chunk of the brain power that we have sitting right on our shoulders is devoted to processing visual images. It's how we communicate. It's how we share information. It defines who we are. And as scientists, we use these visual clues to ferret out the secrets of nature.
Our only transition, our only link to the world apart from our own interior minds and our own thinking is our body. Our bodies are the links that we have with the external world. I have no way to get in touch with the external world except by either seeing it, hearing it, tasting it, touching it, smelling it. And so I am dependent upon my senses to have any information coming to me from outside of the interior chambers of my own mind.